Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to draw potato people characters. So grab a paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, perfect. We're gonna draw two potato characters today. So make sure you plan out your page a little bit. We're gonna put one over here, and then one over here. So let's start on this side. And we're gonna draw a lumpy potato shape. Like this. Just like that. Once we have our big shape, we're gonna draw some eyes. So come inside our big shape and draw a round circle there and another one right next to it, right there. Perfect. Let's finish our eyes with some pupils. Looking to the side and fill them in. A few cute little eyelashes on the side, just like that. Let's put 3 on each eye. Some lines under the eye, and then 2 eyebrows above the eyes. Perfect. Next, let's add a smiley face and a tongue. Let's fill in this empty white space to close that mouth up. Perfect. Okay, now let's give our potato character some arms. We'll do 2 lines out like that, a hand up, and then some round shapes for the fingers, and then back down. Maybe she's waving, so let's give some motion lines like that. Let's add another arm over here, 2 straight lines, and then some rounded lines for the fingers. Perfect. Next, let's go down to the bottom and draw some feet. We'll do 2 lines, 4 lines, and then rounded shape for feet, just like that. I like to add some little shadows under the body. Perfect. Next, let's go to the top and draw a big bow. We'll put a round circle there, and then 2 rounded triangles on the sides. And some details inside, straight lines that kind of look like V's. Now we're going to give our potato character some hair, like that, with some lines. Come down the back, draw a curved line, and then swoop out, back in, and some lines inside the hair. Perfect, good job. Now to finish our character, let's give some details around the potato shape. Some bumps and texture. Perfect, and there we go. There we have a potato person character. Good job. Next, let's draw one more over here on this side. We're gonna draw a grumpy potato character. So let's draw another lumpy character, but make it even more lumpy, like that. We'll come on the inside of our shape. We'll draw a straight line, 2 rounded lines underneath for the eyes, and then fill in the pupils looking to the side, like that. Good job. Let's do 2 lines under the eyes. And now let's do a big grumpy mouth. We'll do a really big curved line like that. And then a straight line underneath. And some rounded grumpy teeth like that. Perfect. Don't forget the tongue. And 2 lines under the chin. A couple lines under the mouth because it's pulling down. And then let's give this grumpy character some bumps and grooves on the potato skin. Perfect. Next, let's give our grumpy character some arms and legs. We'll do 2 lines, another 2 over here for the legs, and then 2 rounded shapes coming out for the feet. Add a couple little shadows underneath the body, and then 2 arms by making some straight lines coming out of the body, some rounded shapes for fingers, and then the same thing over on this side. Straight lines, then rounded fingers. To finish off our potato character, Let's give him some squiggly hair on top. And there we have a grumpy potato character.
Yay!
Good job following along today. I'm so proud of you. I hope you'll come back and draw with me again soon. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box videos.